Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna help you out with the issue couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. So sometimes whenever you try to launch your Instagram application and try to scroll through the home page, you see the error that would say couldn't refresh feed on Instagram. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply check your internet connection, because when the range is not working and you are using bad network in your internet connection, you might face this type of error because the data or your feed is not able to launch. So you just have to simply use this trick. For that, you just have to swipe down your notification bar and tap on the airplane mode, then wait for 5 seconds and tap on it in order to turn it off. So what this will do is it will refresh your internet connection and you will get good speed. Now you just have to launch your Instagram app and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then you can even try to clear the cache of your Instagram application. For that, long press on your Instagram apps icon, then go to app info. After that, go to storage and here tap on clear data, clear cache, and then press OK. After that, again you need to try to launch into Instagram and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the issue still persists, then I would recommend you to simply uninstall your Instagram account. But before that, you need to make sure that you remember your email address as well as your password associated with your Instagram account. After that, from the Google Play Store or App Store, you just have to simply download and reinstall your Instagram application, and after re-login you will not be able to see this type of error anymore. So if you have any questions, you can comment that down below and consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.